Hello. I just want to encourage you today. I feel God dispatching angels from heaven directly to you, directly to meet your need. I can feel the oil of heaven just pouring out. Today is the first day of the month of Elul on the Hebrew calendar. It's the 12th month of the civil calendar, the 6th month of the religious calendar. It is the first day that we remember that the king comes into the fields, that Moses went up on the mountain today, and he took the 10 Commandments for his 3rd time. And he doesn't end up coming back down until Yom Kippur, which is in September. 40 days from now is when the atonement takes place. But I can just feel in the heavenly realms right now just this unbelievable glory of the Lord, and the oil of heaven just pouring down. And the glory of God is so intense right now at this time, because at the beginning of the month, it's also when we remember in Exodus chapter 33 that when Moses was up on the mountain, he asked to see the glory of the Lord. And God told him that I will allow my glory to pass you by, and I'm going to hide you in the cleft in the rock. And then when I remove my hand, you'll see my back. And so I feel this intense pulling down of heaven, heaven just releasing and just flowing into people right now. Like, you are a glory carrier for the Lord, and His oil is just coming from heaven. His glory is just surrounding you, positioning you here the very first day of the month of Elul. And so I think we just need to give Him a praise. I think we just need to thank Him for His glory presence, and that we can experience this every day because Jesus died on the cross, was buried, and resurrected, that we might enter this special place with God, this space and place where we can live in His glory, walk in His glory, be glory carriers. And so let His Holy Spirit just come and envelop you at this time. He is a good, beautiful, and amazing God.